I've never been in such a panic in my life.
Just grab my stuff! Oh, please, sweet mama, don't go!
I just don't know how this happened. I guess the best thing would be just to start at the beginning of it all.
Let me in! Bye-bye, Gracer.
And that part was great. I mean, we were having a great time. We were even talking too about like really important issues facing society today. It was really productive conversation.
How many plane crashes can you think of? How many plane crashes do you hear of?
Oh yeah, lots.
All the time, right?
Yeah.
How many blimp crashes? One.
Yeah.
One, right?
Yeah.
Bring the blimp back. That's what I'm saying. Bring it back.
It's the safer way to travel.
It's the yacht of the sky.
And you know, at the end of the day, we actually made the drive to Oklahoma. I mean, we had an issue in St. Louis when we got separated, and that was pretty scary for a minute.
What are you all doing?
So we got separated somewhere in St. Louis, and we had to stop here at a gas station.
But we made it back together, and we made it there.
It is 2 a.m. and 35 degrees, but we made it to Oklahoma. Here's the door. We'll show you guys what it's like in the morning.
This was the day when it all just went so wrong. We were going to visit some local places in downtown Bartlesville, Oklahoma, and our first stop was the local juice company.
Strawberry Fields Forever smoothie.
That one's great. The mushroom in it, that gives you energy, but you can't taste it.
I'm gonna go with the smoothie.
Come see us at the local juice co.
Okay, great. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. Have a good day, y'all.
You too.
That was really, really delicious. This is actually a really great place. They get all their juice local. Well, they make it local. Hey, I'm taking a video. Leave me alone. This stuff is fire. It's so good. If you're in Bartlesville, go check it out. Oh, it's so windy.
This right here, this is where I truly messed up.
Alright, so Josiah's gonna take a risk and run his drone. It's literally snowing right now.
We ride! I truly messed up.
And as I got the drone in the air, everything felt normal. But then out of nowhere, I just lost signal, and then the wind took it, and it was gone.
I've never been in such a panic in my life. I was running through the streets like a madman, and the signal was going in and out and in and out, and I would lose video feed, and I had no idea what was going on. And I was jumping in front of cars and jaywalking, and people were honking, and I was desperately trying to find this drone.
Just grab my stuff! Oh, please, sweet mama, don't go!
And as if they were connected, every foot that drone flew further away, my phone battery decreased at an equal rate until it was at 3, 2, 1%. And like any drone flyer's salvation, one sweet, sweet word popped up on that screen. Home. And I clicked it with everything I had in my finger.
It's coming back. Yes! I feel like that one lady in Batman v Superman with Superman like appears on the rooftop in the sun. Like,
I'm honestly shocked right now.
oh,
Where's he going?
straight down, please. It's gonna be close.
Oh!
Ah! Come on! Go now. Right now, you
Just
better
grab
think the lesson that we can all learn from my experience at the end of this is there's actually a home button right here on the controller that I could have pressed the entire time. Anyways, this is Tardy Productions. Thanks for watching. Are you guys good on your end?
Yeah, we're good on mine.
All right, cool. Are you okay? I am now.